what's up you guys, Styles here. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do us both that favor, go and subscribe to the channel. Those returning, as always, it is greatly appreciated. So today for you guys, we got a sublimation video. We're gonna go and supplement these cotton polyester sweatshirts, but before we get into the video, let me just say thank you to all my returning subscribers and all my new viewers. I know it's been a minute, but you guys continue to support this channel, and I appreciate that. Keep subscribing, keep sharing with friends. And to all vendors out there, if you guys wish to send me items, or anybody else just thinks I'm cool and want to send me something, there will be a P.O. box in the description below. I know in previous videos, I provided my email, but I've been getting a lot of spam, so if you guys want to send me something, go ahead and send it to the P.O. box, because there's a chance that I didn't get the email because spam. Anyway, so I'm going to quit rambling. The press 400 degrees, 60 seconds, and of course, we'll catch up. I'll let you guys know exactly where I've been, and you guys can go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, so our press is at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And today we're going to be pressing on this Jersey New blend. It's going to be a 50% cotton, 50% polyester. And now when dealing with sublimation, there's a few items that you do need. First and foremost, you're going to need a heat press. After the heat press has been secured, what you need is a lint brush. And this is going to be important because if you don't do this, you're going to have those blue squiggly lines in your garment after the fact. And that's going to be for the lint residue. So make sure that you get your garment really good with the lint brush. You want to give it a pre-press. About 5 to 10 seconds. It's going to get any moisture out of your garment. After that, you're going to need your design. Heat tape to secure your design to prevent the ghosting. And your butcher paper. This is going to prevent the bleed through. So for this design, we got a front and back. We're going to take our short ruler. This is going to give us exactly 4 fingers from the collar. Once again, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. So how's it going for you guys out there? That's what's up. Me, myself, I mean, I've been sick for what seems like forever. It's finally getting better though. Thanks for asking. More importantly though, thanks for sticking around. Yeah, this whole being sick deal, not fun at all. Not the way I wanted to start my new year off. I had such high hopes. Trying to get uber productive, and then boom. Life comes at you fast. But like I said though, every day I'm getting better. Soon I'll be at 100% and be able to knock these videos out for you guys. Get them to you guys in a timely manner. Like I said, this is going to be a front and back. Just gonna repeat the same process. Lint brush. Make sure we have no lint or debris. Go ahead and give it a pre-press. Again, we're going to take our butcher paper. We're going to put it in between the sweatshirt. This way we don't have any bleed through to the front of the sweatshirt. Kind of compensate for the hood a little bit, so we're going to move our design down. And due to the size of this image, we're not even going to bother with the heat tape. We're just going to apply our butcher paper. Once again, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. We won't hold you guys. We're going to go ahead and speed through this process. And when you guys come back, we'll be all done with these sweatshirts here, and you guys see the finished product. This is what it looks like all finished. Once again, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys be kind, and I'll see you on the next one.